Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today is an update with card, so you can see how you can insert the widget, how you can insert the form into your card website landing page. The question is how you can use forms with card. I'm going to delete this one so we can start fresh and we can see how it's done. So with card you have some templates with forms. I think this one is a template with a form in card. The question is, I think it's a bit complicated. I mean, you can use you need to use a third-party solution to have a form in card connected. And you need to add API keys, you need to add, I don't know, some tags. I mean, you need to add some code here that, I don't know, maybe you like it, maybe you don't like it. But I'm going to explain how you can make it, I think, a bit more easy, okay? This is how you can do it with card forms, but let's go with our form. So I'm going to delete this section here. We are going to add a new section. We add embed. I'm going to move this here. Okay, I put the embed code in this section. I go to my widget. This is the widget we have with a nice chat form. I'm going to copy and I'm going to put it here in the code section. I leave everything by default. Okay, code and title inline. Here is where we put the code. I click done. I'm going to delete these sections because we don't need those. We don't need these sections anymore. Yes. Delete, delete, and delete. Okay, so we have a landing page with a form that creates a lead. Okay, that's it. I'm going to click save. I'm going to call this test for widget. I'm going to put it here. It's checking. We publish, and this is done. Okay, now we have a cool landing page with card and the form here to capture the leads. And this works with all the functionality you have, from Chatwith. Chat forms, WhatsApp forms, AI, everything we do, you can put it right here. So you can have a really nice agent in your landing page to capture leads. So I think this is fantastic. And as an extra feature that we discovered by accident, if you add a section here, I don't know why, but this is happening. The widget, the form becomes a widget in your card website. I guess it's some kind of glitch bug in the code, but sorry, I didn't open the landing page. If you have a section, the widget becomes, the form, instead of being here, becomes a widget. So, you can call this a feature. Maybe it's not what you want, but just in case, if you have a section in your landing page, I don't know why, the code for the form becomes a widget. Okay, that's it. Because, this can be interesting because, in card, to have this option to have, like a widget, to have a, code insert in the header, you need to go to the Pro Plus plan, something like that. But, to do what I'm doing, you only need the basic plan, I think. The basic plan, I think, is a $10.99 or something like that. I think it's the, like the second plan from card. So, if you want something like that, you got it, okay? So if I remove the section and I click save, the form stays as a form. Okay, this is here, it's working, fantastic, you like it, it's cool, everything's here. But as I said, if you have this plan and you want to have a widget in your card template, you only need to add a section, the code becomes something else and your form will become a widget. And that's it. And you have, a cool widget in your card landing page. Okay, so this is an update with card. We love card. Card is a fantastic template solution. I think it's very expensive. I think it's, for what they do, I think it's a bit overpriced. But hey, if you like it and you are working with it, you can use what we do in your landing pages. This is another example we just did. You can insert your, calendar widget in your landing page. That's something you can do as well. And that's it. Pretty much everything we do can be used in any CMS. Card, WordPress, Wix, PHP, HTML, you name it. Okay, that's I mean, we try to be, you know, agnostic. We try to be, you know, accessible everywhere, so you can do your landing pages as you want. Card is a fantastic CMS. You can use what we do. Very simple. You know, you go here just in case to do it again. You need to use this element. It's called embed, and embed will give you the, you know, the access to add the code. This is the code from the form. You put it here and it's done. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.